So we were in the middle of shopping, and this is the result of my mom's wheelchair footrest. So far, it's been running okay.
I don't know what to do
what
now.
do you think, Mom?
Oh my God!
Oh, how many days? How many days you had it?
About a week today. Saturday made a week.
That's unfortunate.
And I don't know. You know, I shared with you all that my tire cracked, right? So they're gonna send me a tire. Now the footrest, look at that. That's not even usable. I mean, if I put it back, I'm just gonna have to be really careful. Look at that. I don't believe that.
How much was the chair again?
It was the chair was about 120, I guess.
And
you
that's
know,
supposed
with
to be
tax.
quality. I mean,
And
I don't get it.
And look at that. I mean,
yeah, in the back too. Show it back just to see if it shows me.
You can't really see it really good, but you can see it from the front.
Slightly, but yeah, look at
that it's cracked off. You know,
yeah,
so
look at that there, right?
I'm gonna put it back on the chair, but I'm gonna call them and tell them, you know, the footrest just cracked. Now, I'm at this point, you all, you know, I'm thinking, can they just send me a whole new chair?
Yeah,
because I'm afraid that, you know, now the footrest, what else is going to break off on it? You know, this was on sale. Now I'm wondering, you know, is this why? You know, I don't get it. This sad, very sad. Even with the old relic of a chair that you know I retired, this never happened with the footrest. Never happened. Never happened with the cracked wheel. I was real excited a week ago, but now my excitement is quickly dwindling. I mean, it's crazy. It's crazy. You know, if you can't even put your foot on it, it just shows the quality of the plastic is no good. It's cheaply, the manufacturing, it has to be shoddy or something, because like I said, with my old chair, my pedals never cracked like this, ever. And I had that chair maybe 3-4 years, and this chair, within a week, it's kind of falling apart. You know, I don't understand. I want to find out, you know, what's going on, because if the pedals cracked, you know, I told you all the wheels cracked, what else is gonna crack? Is the seat gonna, you know, break on me too? I'm concerned about it now, because this shouldn't be happening a weekend. I've only had the chair 1 week, and it's literally falling apart, you know, literally falling apart. I don't know. It bothers me. You know, we spend, you know, our hard-earned money on products, and they fall apart like this. It's not worth the anxiety and the frustration that I'm going through now, because I need my chair. You know, I used to walk, but now I'm in a chair, and it is my means of transportation, and braking on me just doesn't, you know, it doesn't cut it. I mean, Drive seems like they're a great company. You know, they're sending me a new wheel. What, they're going to send me a new pedal now. I'm going to ask them, I'm going to say, well, you know, if you guys send me all of these things for my chair and they continue to break, you know, it's under warranty, just send me a new chair. You know, that's where I am at this particular moment, even a week in, because I need my chair. I use the chair for not just going places and having a good time, but I use it for, you know, shopping and things like that. Get food, all that kind of stuff. I'm looking for work, so I'm going to need to have, you know, transportation that's going to take me back and forth to my job if I don't find a, you know, at-home job. Okay, so I don't know. Let me know your thoughts and what you guys think, and what you would do in a situation like this. It's frustrating. Thanks for watching.